All right, what is the value of 9 minus negative 10? So again, with this one, we want to change it into an addition problem. So we're going to change the color to black. And I know that it's going to equal 9 because that's where I've started. And then I know that I need question mark, and then this changes to a plus sign because I'm changing to addition. Negative 10. So something plus negative 10 is going to get me 9. So I have to think, if I'm looking at my options, something plus negative 10. So I need to use yellow. So that's 10 yellows. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. My goal is to get to positive 9. Positives are red. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That's what I want it to equal. The problem is I've got to somehow cancel out these negative 10 or create 0 pairs. So to create 0 pairs, I have to create 10 positives to cancel or to create 0 for each of these yellows because my goal is to create 0 pairs. So I had to add 10 positives, and that gets rid of all of my negatives. And now I'm left with nothing, but I still need to get to 9 positives. So I've already done 10 reds, so 10 positives. I'm trying to get to a positive 9, but I only have 0 now because I've canceled out all of these. So I'm going to have to add an extra 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So now I have 9 positives and 9 positives, and they equal. So I've got to figure out what did I add to that negative 10 to get a positive 9. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. So I added positive 19 to my negative 10 to get a positive 9. So remember, to create a 0 pair, you use a negative and a positive together. All right, for the next one, same concept. What is the value of 1 minus negative 18? So I've got question mark plus negative 18 is going to give me 1. So my goal is to eventually end with 1 positive. Right now I've got 18 negatives. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Now I have to somehow get from all of these yellow dots to a red dot. So I'm going to have to create, again, some 0 pairs. So to create a 0 pair with a yellow, I need a red. So 1 positive and 1 negative make 0. Okay, so they cancel because a negative and a positive is going to bring me back to 0. They're what we call a 0 pair. A negative and a positive is going to bring me back to 0. Now I've got 0. How do I get to positive 1? I'm going to have to add 1 more red dot so that this equals what I want my answer to be. So then to figure out my answer, I just count what I added to the negative 18. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. And they are positives, so it's positive 19. All right, for this one, it says, what is the value of negative 6 minus negative 3? So I'm going to change it to an addition equation. So I'm just rearranging where my question mark and my negative 6 are. So I have to think, what do I have to add to negative 3 to get negative 6? So if I want to use the dot concept, I want to use the 0 pairs, and I've got 3 negatives right now. I want to have 6 negatives. So I'm going to have to add, because they're all the same color, so I don't have to create 0 pairs. I'm going to have to add 3 more yellow dots so that this is equal. So I added -3. So -6 minus -3 is -3. Now they want to know what is the distance from -10 to 14 on the number line. So I'm starting at -10 and I want to end on 14. So I've told you before you want to count the jumps. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. So there are 24 units between -10 and +14. Distance is always positive. Distance is always positive, so my answer is going to be D. The next one says, what is the distance between -4 and +4? So again, I've got -4 and I have +4, and I'm going to count the jumps in between. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I have 8 units. So I'm trying to get from -4 to +4. Distance is always positive, so it's 8 units. All right, same thing. What is the distance between -15 and +2 on the number line? So I'm at -15, and I'm trying to get to +2. I'm counting the jumps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. 17 units. Now I've said all along that distance is always positive. So it's going to be a +17, not a -17, because distance is movement, so you're moving forward. The next one says, which 2 integers are 7 units away from the number 5 on the number line? So I'm going to start with the number 5 and 7 units away. Now that could be 7 positive units or 7 negative units. So we're going to do positive units first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So it could be +12. And if I went in the negative direction, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, I get -2. So then I'm going to look at my options. -2 and 12 are each 7 units away from the number 5 on the number line. So from here, I want you to move into your IXL objective, and I really do not want you to use a calculator. For these types of questions on the EOG and for any other test, you're not going to be able to use a calculator. You're going to turn in your keynote from today with all the right answers on it. You're going to complete the cool down in Canvas. So I've put in a cool down for you because I want to see if any of this is clicking. And if you need extra help or you need to ask me questions, you're going to send me an email at katie.scarfpin@cravenk12.org so that I can help you through this, because the goal is that you're able to do it, not just able to copy my video. All right, I'll see you later. Bye.